Hello, welcome to you in a new video from the Digital SAT with me, Mr. Gamal from Teaching Tactics with Mr. Gamal. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and to follow and like our Facebook page, Teaching Tactics with Mr. Gamal. And if you find our videos useful, you can share them with your friends. Let's get started. In this video, we're going to tackle question number 17 from the Digital SAT Official Test 1. And as we agreed before, the first step for you to tackle any of the questions in the Digital SAT is to go directly to the question stem to identify the question type, because based on the question type, it is very easy for you to get to know how to tackle this type of questions easily. So the question stem here says, which choice most logically complete the text? From most logically completes the text, I can tell that this is one of the inferences questions. One of the inferences questions. Now, how to tackle inferences questions? Inferences questions, my friends, give you some facts in a text here. They give you some facts or some premises and ask you to come up with a conclusion. Okay? So this is very important. Now, how to tackle this question? So to tackle this question is to divide the text or the facts in the text into some points, into some bullet points, and then you're gonna put those points together to come up with a conclusion, and you can paraphrase your conclusion in your own words to come up with what we call a test phrase. And then you're gonna take your test phrase to check it against the answer choices to find a match, and whatever it matches your test phrase is the correct answer. Now let's get started. So it is herbivores, sauropod dinosaurs. So some dinosaurs can grow more than 100 feet, okay, long, and weigh up to 80 tons. So those dinosaurs can be very big in size, and this is the first point. And some researchers have attributed the evolution of sauropods to such massive sizes to increase plant production. So plants are increased, okay, resulting from high levels of atmospheric carbon dioxide during the Mesozoic era. So this increased production in plants is because of the high levels of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. However, this is very important, by the way. In inferences questions, it is very important for you to consider these transition words or connection words like however, but, and those transition words, because it is very important for you to consider them, because they can give you a clue to tackle the questions. Because however here can tell us that what comes before it is the opposite of what comes after it. What comes before it says that this big size of these dinosaurs is because of the increased production of plants because of the high levels of carbon dioxide. But however here there is no evidence there is no evidence of significant spikes in carbon dioxide levels coinciding with relevant periods in sauropod evolution, such as when the first large sauropod appeared, when several sauropod lineages underwent further evolution toward gigantism when they start to grow, or when sauropods reach their maximum known sizes. So after, however, here we can say that there is no level in that can tell us that carbon dioxide increased during the periods of very important periods in the evolution of these dinosaurs. So what is the conclusion? You can put these together. I'm going to tell you the points once more to think of how to come up with a conclusion. So those dinosaurs can grow to a very big size, okay? Some researchers think that they can grow to this massive size because of the increased plant production, because of the high levels of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. However, there is no evidence that carbon dioxide levels increased in the era when those dinosaurs or sauropods were very big in size. So what is the conclusion? The conclusion is that the big size of these dinosaurs is not related or has no connection with carbon dioxide levels in the atmosphere, right? So the conclusion is that these sizes the sizes or this big size is not related to carbon dioxide levels in atmosphere. Okay, so this is our test phrase. We're gonna take the test phrase to check it against the answer choices, and we're gonna continue. So here A says fluctuations in atmospheric carbon dioxide affected different sauropod lineages differently, not related to our test phrase. The test phrase is that there is no connection between the big size of those sauropods or those dinosaurs and the increased level of carbon dioxide in atmosphere. B says the evolution of large body sizes in sauropods did not depend on increased atmospheric carbon dioxide levels, and this is a very good match to our test phrase. So B is the correct answer. Anyway, we're gonna continue reading the other two answer choices to just make sure that B is the correct answer. C says atmospheric carbon dioxide was higher when largest known sauropods lived than it was when the first sauropod appeared. For sure, the test says that no connection or carbon dioxide doesn't appear during any of the periods of the evolution of those dinosaurs, so this is not correct. D says sauropod probably would not have evolved to such immense sizes if atmospheric carbon dioxide had been even slightly higher. Again, the text doesn't suggest anything that is related to the increased levels of carbon dioxide in the different areas of the evolution of those dinosaurs, so D is not the correct answer. Okay, so B is our match and our correct answer because it matches our test phrase. Have a good day, and don't forget to follow us on Facebook and YouTube, the same name, Teaching Tactics with Mr. Gamal, and don't forget to share our videos and to like them, and have a good day. Thank you.